Welcome everybody to Fun Fish with Miss Stefanie. You may be asking yourself, what is fun about fish? Let's take a look. Fun fish facts. First, it is estimated that there are over 30,000 known fish species. Of those 30,000 fish species, fish come in all different shapes, sizes, and colors. Did you know that the whale shark, seen below, is the largest sized fish known? Also, seahorses are the only type of fish that swim upright. The lionfish, seen below, has several names, including firefish, turkeyfish, and my favorite, zebrafish, because of its stripes. Lastly, pet goldfish only live about roughly 5 years, but some goldfish have been known to live up to 40 years old. Pretty cool. I wanted to include some fun fish reads for you. You can find these books in your local library. They include Hooray for Fish by Lucy Collins, and one of my favorites, Dr. Seuss's One Fish, Two Fish, Red Fish, Blue Fish. So make sure to stop by your library to check out these books and more. Fun fish links. You can sing along to Baby Fish or Five Little Fishes with Dr. Jean on her YouTube channel. I've also included our database link to World Book Kids, and that's where I found some of our fun fish facts, so check it out. Okay, it's time for our craft. You're going to create your own fun fish. In order to make your craft, you'll need the items listed below: glue stick, construction paper, scissors, straw or yarn, sequins, and Google Eyes. You can pick up your supplies in your craft bag at the Windmill Library starting Thursday, July 16th. Supplies are limited, so make sure to get here early to get your bag while supplies last. Let's get started. Okay everyone, now that we're done learning some fun fish facts and resources that you can find at the library on fish, let's go ahead and start with our craft. Okay, so as you can see here, I have that craft items. You'll find these at the Windmill Library in a brown bag. They are limited supplies, so make sure to come on Thursday, July 16th to grab your bag while supplies last, okay? You can also you may be able to find these craft supplies at home as well to make your own. Okay, so we have some construction paper here, different sizes. We have a glue stick, some sequins and Google Eyes, markers. Then we also have scissors that we'll need. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm just gonna move this to the side. We will need our glue stick. So I'm gonna start with our pink paper. Okay, and we are gonna fold it in half. Okay, so let's go ahead and fold that like that, okay? And then what we're gonna do is we are gonna cut a triangle size hole in the middle part, okay? So you don't want to press it down all the way when you're folding because you want it to stay like this, a little curved, okay? So that is gonna be the mouth of your fish right there, okay? So then what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the tail of the fish and glue it to the inside. So I got my glue stick here. Let's go ahead and put some glue down on the inside. Stick our tail there with the pointy side in. Then we are gonna apply some more glue. Then go ahead and fold that down. Try to get it as straight as you can. Okay, so now we have the body of the fish with its tail attached, okay? Next, we have two triangles. These are the fins. So we're gonna glue one on each side. So you're going to glue the pointy end right there and stick it on just like that. You can see that. And then we'll do the same to the other side. So I'm gonna flip it over, apply some glue, and stick it onto the paper just like that. Okay. Now we have the body, the tail, and the fins. So next we're gonna open our bag We're going to dip out our sequins and our Google eyes. So we'll go ahead and apply the Google eyes first. And you can also, if you don't have Google eyes, you can also draw them on too and create them however you want to. So there's one eye. I'm going to flip it over and do the other one. Make sure it has plenty of glue so that it stays for a long time. There we go. Okay. So the next step is to add our sequins. So I'm just going to put plenty of glue across the bottom of the fish. And I just do one side, but you're welcome to do both sides if you want. And then you're going to grab your sequins and just kind of spread them along the bottom. And the glue does dry pretty fast. So if it seems like it's starting to dry, just go ahead and apply some more. That way they stay really well. Okay, put some more glue. Okay, there we go. Okay, so then, okay, it seems like they're staying. Okay, so then you can either use a straw to make a puppet, and I have one that I've already finished here, as you can see, or you can also use string to kind of make a hanging ornament, okay? So I'm gonna punch a hole in the fish, just like this, and you can also use scissors if you want. There we go. Okay, and then we're gonna add some string, okay? So I'm just gonna tie my string in. Okay, just like that. And then you have your colorful, fun fish. You can also use markers to give it some more decoration. Do some eyelashes, do some squiggly lines on the tail. Maybe color the fin. Okay, so there you go. There's your fun fish craft. I hope you enjoyed this program, and we'll see you next time.